Scooters have always been the go-to option for riders who want practicality, fuel efficiency, and simplicity in their daily commute. They're compact, easy to ride, and perfect for navigating crowded urban streets. Yet, for many riders, the scooter world can feel a little too narrow, limited to smooth pavements and short trips. Honda has chosen to break that stereotype with the 2026 Honda ADV160. A scooter that dares to bring adventure-inspired design and versatility into the city commuter scene. This machine is more than just another scooter. With its rugged styling, taller suspension, and practical features, the ADV160 bridges two very different riding experiences: the convenience of urban commuting and the playful spirit of adventure. Design that stands out on city streets. The first thing most riders notice about the ADV160 is its styling. Unlike conventional scooters that emphasize sleek lines and low profiles, the ADV160 takes inspiration from Honda's larger adventure motorcycles. With its angular bodywork, raised stance, and bold fairing, it looks tougher and more capable than a typical city commuter. The scooter also includes a two-position adjustable windscreen, adding a functional touch to its adventurous image. Whether in its lower setting for breezy summer rides or higher for wind protection on longer stretches, it adapts easily. Its overall look ensures riders won't blend into the sea of ordinary scooters. This is a machine built to make statement. Engine performance: smooth and capable. Powering the ADV160 is a 157 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine paired with a fully automatic CVT transmission. It's not about raw horsepower, but about delivering smooth, usable performance for city life. The throttle response is immediate, making it easy to dart away from traffic lights or weave through congested streets. The scooter is comfortable cruising up to around 50 miles per hour, with power tapering gently toward a maximum of about 70 miles per hour. That makes it legal for freeway use, but it's clear the ADV160 feels most at home in urban and suburban environments. Riders seeking to push into high-speed touring may find its limits, but for its intended purpose, it offers exactly the right balance of responsiveness and reliability. Honda's smart power technology keeps efficiency and emissions in check, ensuring that performance comes with responsibility. The absence of a stop-start system makes it feel straightforward and rider-friendly. Impressive fuel economy. In an era where every penny counts at the fuel pump, the ADV160 is a wallet-friendly companion. Its 2.1-gallon tank and tested 75 miles per gallon fuel economy mean fewer stops for gas and more uninterrupted rides. For daily commuters, this translates into real savings without sacrificing convenience. The scooter offers not just affordability, but also the peace of mind that comes with knowing a full tank will last through days of routine riding. Comfort and ergonomics for everyday use. One of the defining qualities of the ADV160 is its ability to keep riders comfortable across different riding conditions. With a seat height of 30.7 inches, it offers accessibility for a broad range of riders while still maintaining enough ground clearance for light adventure use. The seat is well padded and supportive, designed to accommodate longer trips without causing fatigue. Riders also benefit from spacious floorboards, which allow for multiple leg positions. This small but significant detail makes a big difference when commuting in heavy traffic or spending more than an hour in the saddle. Handling and suspension. Confidence in all conditions. Agility is one of the scooter's biggest strengths. At 294 pounds curb weight with a 52.1-inch wheelbase, the ADV160 feels light and nimble in urban traffic. It's easy to maneuver, whether carving through city streets or making tight U-turns in crowded areas. The Showa 31mm fork with 5.1 inches of travel at the front and Showa piggyback shocks with just over 4 inches of travel at the rear give it a ride quality that's a step above the average scooter. It soaks up bumps and uneven pavement more effectively, which is especially useful in cities where road surfaces are less than perfect. Its IRC Trail Winter GP 212 tires provide good traction on both asphalt and gravel paths. While the ADV160 is not meant to tackle rugged off-road trails, it can comfortably handle dirt roads, construction detours, or shortcuts through less-than-ideal surfaces. Braking and safety features. Stopping power comes from a 240mm front disc brake with ABS and a 130mm rear drum brake. The addition of ABS adds security, especially when braking on slippery or uneven city roads. Honda also includes a rear parking brake mechanism, which is practical for hilly streets or when parking on slopes. Another layer of safety comes from the inclusion of traction control, which helps maintain stability on wet or loose surfaces. Although its intervention is subtle, it offers reassurance that the scooter is ready to handle unexpected changes in traction. Everyday practicality, built with riders in mind. Honda clearly designed the ADV160 with the daily rider in mind. The 27-liter under-seat storage compartment is large enough to fit a helmet or groceries, making it convenient for both commuting and errands. The seat can be opened electronically, and Honda has even provided a mechanical release option for added reliability. A front fairing cubby with a USB-A charging port is another handy feature, though it would have been more forward-thinking to use USB-C in 2026. Still, it provides riders with the ability to charge devices while on the move. The lockable fuel cover and overall layout of the switches demonstrate Honda's commitment to both security and ease of use. These small touches, combined with the adjustable windscreen, create a scooter that feels carefully designed for real-world practicality. Highway capability, legal but limited. With a top speed hovering around 70 miles per hour, the ADV160 is technically capable of freeway use. However, it's not a machine designed for extended high-speed journeys. The smaller wheels and softer suspension are tuned more for urban agility than highway stability. That said, for riders who only need occasional freeway access, for example, short hops between city districts, the ADV160 is perfectly capable. Just don't expect it to replace a larger displacement motorcycle for long-distance touring. Pricing and value. At $4,499, the Honda ADV160 positions itself attractively in the scooter market. It costs only a little more than Honda's PCX, but for the added expense, riders gain adventure-inspired styling, higher ground clearance, and suspension travel that adds versatility. This makes it not just a practical purchase, but also an emotional one. The ADV160 offers individuality and character that set it apart from standard scooters. It appeals to those who want more than a simple commuter. They want a scooter that reflects an adventurous lifestyle. Strengths and weaknesses at a glance. Strengths: excellent fuel economy, 75 mpg. Rugged, adventure-inspired styling. Comfortable seat and ergonomic design. Adjustable windscreen for versatility.